How does Excel flash fill work? Imagine you're working on a list of names or dates and want to quickly change or organize the data without typing everything manually. That's where Excel Flash Fill comes in. It's a handy feature that guesses what you want based on the example you give it. Here's how it works step by step. First, you start by typing the result you want in the first cell of a new column next to your data. For example, if you have a list of full names and want just the first names, you type the first name in the first cell. Then, as you type the second name, Excel looks at your example and the original data to find a pattern. It checks if you're extracting the first name, combining names, or changing formats. Once it detects a pattern, Excel shows a preview of what the remaining cells will look like. If the preview looks right, you press Enter, and Excel fills in the rest of the column automatically. If it doesn't match what you want, you can give more examples in the first few cells to help it learn the pattern better. Sometimes, Flash Fill doesn't start on its own. If that happens, you can manually activate it by selecting your data range and clicking the Flash Fill button on the Data tab, or by pressing the shortcut keys Ctrl and E at the same time. This shortcut works on most versions of Excel from 2013 onward. Flash Fill is great for tasks like splitting a full name into first and last names, combining data from different columns, or changing how dates and phone numbers look. It recognizes patterns in text and numbers, so it can handle different lengths and formats without needing formulas. And like autofill, which copies data or formulas in a sequence, Flash Fill figures out what you want based on your example and applies that pattern to the rest of the data. It's a quick way to clean up or organize data without writing complex formulas or scripts. You'll find Flash Fill under the Data tab in the Data Tools group. After it fills in the data, a small Options button appears, giving you options to undo, correct, or accept the fill. If the results aren't right, you can undo with Ctrl and Z or give more examples to improve its pattern recognition. Flash Fill can work with mixed data types and different string lengths, making it very flexible for many tasks. It's a powerful tool for anyone learning the basics of Excel because it speeds up data entry and formatting without needing to know formulas. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how much easier managing data can become.